Okay, I use this device to test another features on my project. Yeah, this is a button and microphone for navigation and recording. This setup is like a headphone wiring concept, but the difference is this have a two prices of mono amplifiers. So let's try if it's functional by playing music using the button. Okay, nice, and let's try to record sound using this microphone. Okay, saved. Now, let's play the recorded sound. Actually, this concept is for my project PC or laptop bamboo speaker that capable to record audio and answer the call while have a call especially to the smartphone. So that's all, and thank you for watching. Peace out.